Hello, this is Abraham with Class A Dent Repair. Take a look at how severe the hail damage is on this Chevy truck 2500. Everything on this truck was written replacement, but I'm gonna fix this truck with paintless dent repair, keeping it factory original paint. And the customer has been waiting on me patiently because I've been very busy, and now it's time to fix this truck. Take a look at the damage all over it. Look at this one, look at that one. That's a nasty one on the rail. Let me show you the roof. These dents are sharp, and I'm gonna show the repair process on this truck and how I fix these dents with paintless dent repair. Take a look. This is bad. See? Look at the bedside here. Right, let me show this rail here. And I'm gonna also be fixing this dent because I promised the customer I'm gonna fix this dent for him for free and polish that scuff. Hello, this is Abraham with Class A Dent Repair. Once again with this destroyed Chevy Silvarado that I fixed 100% paintless dent repair. Let me show you and let the results speak for themselves. This was a big job. Tons of deep, stretched dents all over the place. Take a look. I'm gonna go panel by panel. Remember how bad the hood was? Even that big dent there, I fixed it. Remember the very big dent that was there? Fix it for the customer for free. The bedside. Let me show you the roof. This bedside was real bad. Take a look. Remember the nasty one that was there? That you could see from a mile? Hail damage repair at its best, keeping the factory paint. This truck, if it would have gone, look at this, look at this. Remember how nasty that view was? And don't forget, Class A Dent Repair is the best auto hail repair company, period. Not only that, insurance approved and owner operated. That's why a perfect repair is guaranteed. Now it's time to go deliver this beautiful truck. Can't wait to show it to the customer. And then my next one will be this 4Runner that's destroyed. You just can't see it, it's white. I'll show this with the light later.